Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making some sesame chicken inspired by TGI's. So first we're going to begin by seasoning some chicken. I have some chicken thigh fillet here. You can use chicken breast, but thigh is best as it's more juicy. I'm adding in 1 tablespoon paprika, half a tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of fresh minced garlic, and 1 tablespoon of fresh grated ginger, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. As you can see, I've got 1 egg white and I just give that all a really good mix. Add in some more cornstarch just to cover the chicken over, and then add in a generous amount of salt. Half a tablespoon should do it, and then the chunks are ready to be fried. So into my pot I've added about 2 inches of oil, and then I begin to fry over a medium to high heat. I fry the pieces for about 5 minutes until they're golden brown and crispy. Once they're crispy, I then take them out and rest them on some tissue paper. Separate pan, I'm adding in 300 milliliters of barbecue sauce combined with 2 tablespoons of honey. I've added that and I'm just leaving it on a really low heat just to then toss the chicken pieces. You don't want to actually cook the sauce because the sauce has already been made. Alternatively, you can actually buy the Jack Daniel's sauce on Amazon. So you can look out for that if that's what you guys like. It does have a small percentage of alcohol in it, so just for those who need to know about that. Then just to finish up, I add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. You don't want to add any more than that. It's highly overpowering and unnecessary. So now I'm just giving the chicken a good toss until the sauce has fully coated the chicken. That's what it looks like. Then I'm just plating it up. I add a few sesame seeds, some spring onion, and that is literally it. This chicken recipe is really simple yet very delicious. So if you'd like to give it a try, you definitely should do. Minimal ingredients required. And also remember, chicken thigh is best, but if you have chicken breast, that works also. This makes a great alternative to takeaways. It can stretch a lot further financially, and yeah, it looks amazing guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.